The ONEWISH touch table lamp set offers responsive touch control across the entire metal base, making it easy to switch among three practical brightness levels for anything from winding down to focused reading. Each lamp arrives with a warm 2700 Kelvin light-emitting diode bulb that mimics a traditional 60-watt incandescent while using far less energy and avoiding the eye strain of visible flicker. The beige linen shade and cylindrical silhouette give these lamps a soft farmhouse-inspired look that works well with both rustic and modern decor styles. Light is directed gently downward and outward through the fabric shade, creating a cozy glow that is bright enough for bedside tasks without feeling harsh or glaring. The compact footprint and neutral golden beige finish make this pair versatile for nightstands, desks, dorm rooms, nurseries, and small apartment living areas. Assembly is straightforward with only a few steps, so the lamps go from box to bedside quickly and feel thoughtfully designed for everyday use.